is Laida San Sebastian. I come from the north of Spain, from the University of Mondragon, where I am the entrepreneurship coordinator. And it's important for me to be here today. This is a good opportunity for us to networking and benchmarking other experiences.
We've been working on this workshop for several months, and we've designed it and executed it with the hopes that the EITM consortium for the HEI initiative will have the opportunity to interact and network together and co-collaborate, and we've also introduced EITM members as well.
The event today was organized by us, by EIT Manufacturing, and we are really happy to have here all the 3 projects that have been supported by our KIC in the framework of an initiative that we are conducting together with the other innovation communities in Europe.
So I'm Professor Paul Hatton. I'm the Head of Research and Innovation at the Dental School at the University of Sheffield, where we have a proud tradition innovating with companies to bring new products to market in healthcare and dentistry. It's important for us to be here today for 2 reasons. I think one is to bring a little bit of our knowledge and expertise, which is primarily, like I say, in innovation and working with industry. But on the other hand, we have a lot to learn about entrepreneurship.
I established my first startup 7 years ago in Switzerland, in southern Switzerland, which was about wearable technology. I'm definitely learning a lot today, and especially when you interact with other people, hearing all their point of views and so on, more than us presenting.
My name is Gabriela Teodorescu. I came from Romania. I'm a vice rector to Valahia University of Târgoviște, and here I participate as coordinator for Inventei project from my university part. For me and for my team and for my university, it's very important to be here at this meeting to share our experience and to share all the members in the project experience.
I'm Adina. I'm coming from Romania, actually from Bucharest, and I'm representing you here at this wonderful workshop, our Faculty of Management inside the SNSPA University. I found it great because all of us, we had some ideas in our own silos, but here we could expand them, and I will go back home with wonderful ideas to share to my colleagues, also to share within the project.
In fact, I'm quite thrilled to be here because a very interesting event. We have the chance to exchange ideas and exchange best practices and to know better each other.
It is important for me to be here today to exchange the knowledge, to share the experience with the colleagues, to be inspired by the others, and it's a wonderful event. I'm so happy to be here today.